Have you ever paid attention to birds' legs? Why do their knees bend backward? It's because those aren't their knees, they are their ankles. Just like in humans, their ankles bend backward, while their actual knees are located much closer to the body. Look at the bird's tarsometatarsus bone. It comes from the same origin as the human tarsal and metatarsal bones, formed by the fusion of these bones. Similarly, the tibia-tarsus is formed by the fusion of the tibia and the upper foot bones. In fact, this is one of the clearest pieces of evidence that all living creatures share a common ancestor.